Hello guys, it's Lizzie McGhee here, Grafton Barber TV. We're here in Dun Laoghaire Harbour today for Flugtag. It is Red Bull's finest event. There is over 34 acts taking place. When I say act, I mean homemade flying machines. They're going to hit the air and then hopefully hit the water. Let's see how Dun Laoghaire gets on. Guys, I spotted some pirates. I'm going to talk to you guys later. See you later. He's a little tense and he's a little tanned. Lads, you're not in Baywatch. I'm standing beside David Hasselhoff.
Ladies.
Amazing. Amazing. David, the budgie smugglers, how are we doing?
Yeah, we're doing well. We've been preparing, we've been dancing, we've been having a lot of fun, but we're ready to go. We're enthusiastic and we're gonna fly.
So I see your contraption. You've got 4 wheels, a bench and some, a bit of float.
Yeah, these are for decoration. This is our flying craft, so it consists of mild steel metal welded together. This is our canvas. You can't really see, but we have a budgie that we're smuggling.
Guys, I'm with the Silver Surfers and the crew. Hello, boys.
How are you? How's things? Keeping well?
Boys, you look amazing today. You're absolutely flying the flag.
Thank you very much. Yes, I've been working out a nice 6-pack here, so I'm delighted, yeah.
So do you think you're going to abandon your float and just go straight across, as is, because you have your flight pack on you?
I am, with this cape, it's a guaranteed win for us here today, so...
Is it okay to say that I think you have the smallest float here today?
Size doesn't matter though, you know what I mean?
It's definitely going to be a case, lads, of the motion of the ocean. Can you talk me through your contraption?
Of course I can. Here we have cable drum wheels here. As I'm an electrician, so I use these with conduit pipes. A secret surfboard here with slick pace that no one is ever going to be able to catch. And then the glider here with more secret powers and superpowers that are going to guide me to victory here.
I see you're number 2 on the list. Does this mean you're getting ready to go?
We should have been number 1. So we have prepared to be number 1, but we're okay with number 2.
I love it.
Yes.
So you're standing here beside Baywatch. How do you think you are going to fare against David Hasselhoff?
I'm a fan of the half. Being a superhero, I can take him down.
Lads, this event is sponsored by Red Bull, but you'd never think, because I'm talking to a cup of tea here. Guys, hello, how are we doing?
Well, excellent.
Talking to the spokesman here and the pilot, am I right?
No, that's this man here. You talk to him.
I'm talking to the lid, lads, the lid. Holding the whole thing together, literally. How do you feel?
Oh, superb. What's your name, sorry?
This is Liz from Grafton Barber TV.
Liz, nice to see you. Yeah, so we just wanted something that's like really Irish, So we thought a teapot would be very Irish. So it's good quality tea. Like if you give that a feel there.
Good quality tea. Got to give it
Irish tea.
I'm going to give it a good squeeze. Yeah. Feeling lovely. Coming from Wicklow.
It's a mild and compassionate tea made by Damien. This is Damien. He made the tea.
Damien, amazing. Talk me through your tea making skills.
Well, I've always been a bit of a fanatic, really. But we brew it down in Wicklow, and I don't really have any more details on that.
It's intellectual property. You can't be giving away the secrets of the tea.
So, boys, you have a contraption here behind me, made, I say, with the remnants of a cup of tea, because I can see the lovely tea stainage here sitting on it.
Ah, yes. Good thinking. That's what we meant with
I'll put the lid in. I'll just give you the picture of what it might look like.
Oh, look, see, we're getting the grand tour, lads. This is the first one. So, lads, how far do you think you're going to take today?
We'll probably beat the record. We're pretty confident. I would say at least 79 metres.
79, that's good. I was thinking we're going to go over the other side of the pier.
So how come only one of you is going to be managing to get into the contraption?
I think that's not the rule. Did we miss something there?
Well, I mean, you come as a set here. You're a cup of tea, lads, Boys, the very best of luck. As I said, I'm standing here with a cup of tea. I'm going to get in, have a little drop myself. Mild Compassion Tea by Damien and the lads. Lads, best of luck. Thank you so much. Revisiting the 90s, I have the Power Rangers! Woo! Look at this right behind me. This is absolutely fantastic. Talk me through it.
So we built this in our work in P&D, and this is like monstrous. We went with the biggest thing that we could, 6x6 and 2.5 meters high. So I'm gonna have my co-mates, we're gonna fight a giant monster. Then after we kick his ass, we're gonna launch this up into the sea and hopefully we don't hit the crowd.
Tell me, who is going to co-pilot and pilot this thing?
I'm the pilot. Sorry.
This is very exciting. And whose idea was it to take part in this Flugtag event?
It's just something we were talking about, and we were not even sure if we were going to get in because we were in Portugal on that weekend before, so it was quite rough when we got back. But hopefully we got in, a few sketches, and there we are.
Amazing, boys. And do you know what time you're taking off at?
I'm guessing since we're number 6, probably the first hour.
Did you ever think you'd see this foursome together? I have Dougal, I have Ted, and I have Jack, and I have the very controversial Pat Mustard with people, his hairy baby. Dougal, I believe you are flying the Flugtag today.
I'm flying the Flugtag today because Mr. Pat Mustard was very bold, and we have a lot of hairy babies on Craggy Island now, so I've had to step in and substitute for Pat Mustard to deliver the milk to the good people of Craggy Island.
I can see Ted standing here in front of me. Ted, is there anything to be said for saying another mass?
We've just come from mass. We had our mass on the way up. We were in the back of the trailer, but Dougal was in the float, so we had to wish him well, make sure that there wasn't any suspicious objects on board that could disrupt him somehow.
And I'm standing here beside Jack. Jack, you're holding something very special in your hands. Jack, do you want to show the people what you're holding?
I love my brick.
Guys, I'm standing here, float, Craggy Island. The people of Craggy Island need their milk. Pat Mustard, I'm seeing your hairy baby here. Do you have a name for hairy baby?
No, I don't like the hairy baby at all.
Where's Mrs. Doyle? Is she off to swim out her nose doing a little bit of makeup?
That was Mrs. Doyle. I thought it was Marilyn Monroe.
Pat, you look absolutely fantastic. I absolutely love your hairy chest. I can't actually take my eyes off your medallion and your hairy chest. Would there any chance that, you'd take me out for a little pint of milk and I'd go around your milk float?
Oh, no problem, anytime at all.
Stop, lads, I'm standing here and I'm just weak in the presence of beauty. I'm after getting a go on Pat Mustard's milk float. The hairy baby's on the ground.
I put this in your box.
I've offered to put a spanner in my box. Guys, this is so exciting. Look, I found the pirates. Hello, boys. Oh my God, he's holding a knife to me. And I found the gold bullion, which is actually really, really exciting. Is this why we're crossing the water?
Of course it is. We're going looking for treasure.
Woo! So we have a boat, and we don't have a flying machine, we have a boat. Boys, talk me through your boat.
We got a flying machine on the boat. Self-explanatory.
Can't really get much more self-explanatory than that. Tell me who is co-piloting.
Co-pilot.
Oh my God, look, it's Captain Jack
Ian
Sparrow.
Leonard.
Ian, you look amazing. Talk me through the outfit. You've gone full throttle here today.
Yeah, I acquired these from some people I killed many years ago, and obviously my flag. I have to carry my flag everywhere.
Do you think the flag's going to make it across to the other side with you?
Yes, exactly. And I'm going to throw it into the crowd.
So how far do you think you're going to get before you actually hit the water?
Over the pier. Over the pier.
Over the pier, we're aiming to jump. We're going to go to the moon.
We're going to Free Willy it over the pier.
Boys, this is amazing, absolutely amazing. What's the inspiration behind it?
We were pirates in 2004 and we're bringing it back.
We went looking for treasure off the coast of America.
Guys, I actually think Donald Trump brought these guys over here, and really, really controversially, they are literally right beside the Mexicans. I'm quite scared, so I'm going to kind of start walking that way. That's guess who I found. I found Spin 138, and I know from every morning listening in, it's producer Callum. Woo!
We love you and your soft hair.
Oh, thank you. I'm very, very nervous, but also I'm quite excited because we might fly back to Wales.
Graham and Nathan, how do you feel, lads?
We're very excited. We just hope we do the Luas Drivers proud, Trans Evan everyone. We put a lot of work into this Luas like they did in the Luas Cross City line. It took us as long to build it as well, and we just want to do them proud, basically.
But my question is, are you getting the big rise now when you cross the finish line and get over to Wales?
Absolutely, we're making a lot of money making this. As Graham said, we love Luas Drivers. They're the hardest working people.
Oh my God, the Luas Drivers got loads of money.
See, I told you, lots of money.
It's all mine.
But they deserve it.
They do, they work very hard.
Graham, Nathan, the Luas was obviously your inspiration behind today's float. Are you doing the lovely song on the Luas by our lovely Mullingar friend?
Of course, it will be an original score. It'll be on the Luas from Graham and Nathan, but wrote by Niall Horan.
And there is vicious rumours, I cannot confirm, I cannot deny, Niall Horan could be here helping us push the Flugtag.
And that is a lie. That is 100%
That is a lie, but I wanted to create a bit of buzz around it.
Lads, how the hell did you get involved in doing something like this?
Well, we wanted to do for the listeners, and the listeners really kind of gave us the idea to do the Luas theme and of the Luasers, so we're really doing it for them. As well as the Luas drivers, the listeners are also the most important thing to us.
And tell me, how did producer Callum end up being your pilot?
Well, I got voted in by the listeners after they spread vicious rumours that I voted against Brexit and told me to go back to England.
But your mum, Diane, she got on the phone and she said that you did vote yes for me.
Yeah, it was all lies, but I'm still doing it anyway because I'm a good team player.
She said she was 99% sure. It's very important. It's not the full 100%.
And I also want to say he took the week off before the royal wedding as well to decorate his house in Union Jack. So if that isn't reason enough to put him as a driver, I don't know what is.
And we played God Save the Queen for 5 minutes. Who knew it goes on for so long?
I believe you guys lost a lot of listeners at that point in your show.
We have lost a lot of listeners since taking over, but look, we love the ones that are still there. We love them. They're very close to us.
Boys, I'm so excited for your number 27, and it is the boys from Spin 1038 on the Luas. Well guys, that concludes our day at Red Bull Flugtag 2018. Some absolute characters we have absolutely met today. Very excited for next year. I want you all to watch this space because Grafton Barber is going to be entering next year. Over and out for today, guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.